Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. Today I'm going to be doing a little bit of a get ready with me. Going to be doing my makeup with some new products from Merit Beauty. I actually already filmed this video, so I wish I could show you like the little card it came with and you know everything. And I had everything in boxes and I threw them out after I filmed the first video. So I'm just gonna like insert pictures so you guys can know the actual names of everything that I'm gonna use. But anyway, this is a brand new makeup brand that launched in January and they're all about that very minimalistic makeup look, that no makeup type of look, and that is right up my alley. If you guys know me, you know that I love doing that kind of makeup. Even if I had like all the skills and knowledge in the world to do like a full beat face, I honestly just don't think I look good in that. So no makeup is really my go-to. Did I just do this with 3 fingers? No makeup is really my go-to. So I have been using these products for almost a week now and I feel like my routine in the morning is fairly quick, but today I thought I would kind of challenge myself to do like a 5-minute makeup routine and to see just how quick and easy I can really pull myself together. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm actually going to be using the timer on my phone. So I'm gonna try not to talk too much so that I can actually do this in 5 minutes, and then I'll get back on and talk to you guys a little bit more about the products. If you guys can't tell, I am sitting in my living room on the living room floor. I feel like I cannot figure out where to film in my apartment. If you guys watch my next vlog that's coming out after this, I had a whole DIY project going on and it just wasn't really working out. So okay, so there is 7 products here. Well, it's actually 6 products and a buffing brush. You guys can see I did use this already. So let's just get into this. I'll probably insert photos of the products as I use them so you guys know what colors and all that stuff that I'm using. So first things first, let's set the timer. Actually, let me lay everything out so that I don't set myself up for failure. Okay, and I'm gonna pre-brush out my brows. I don't know if this is cheating, but this is how I make the rules. Okay, so 5 minutes, start. Okay, I'm starting with their obviously Skin Perfector, and this is like a 2-in-1 product. I literally said I'm not gonna talk, and here I go talking. I'm gonna use this mirror here. I guess I could talk a little bit. This is like a 2-in-1 Skin Perfector. So it's like a concealer and a foundation. Well, it's not a concealer or foundation, but I guess it acts like both. I don't really know how to explain it. But I did make sure to moisturize my skin very well before I applied this product. And I'm just using my fingers to blend out the area around my eyes. Comment down below right now, do you think I'm gonna do this in 5 minutes? Honestly, if I keep talking, I probably won't, but we're gonna try. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with their brush to blend everything out. I just noticed that I didn't put any on my cheeks. Just gonna do like... Okay, I think that is good. It's such a beautiful finish too. Let's move on. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with their blush. Bro, I only have 2 minutes and 30 seconds left. Okay. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with the blush. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with their brow pomade and just brush out my brows. Honestly, since my brows have grown in a lot, I don't ever really have to fill them in. Sometimes I'll fill in the sparse areas, but honestly, I'm good with just a brow gel or like a brow pomade like this because this has hold and a little bit of tint. And I love the packaging, like it's so pretty, gold, I love gold. Next is lashes. Oh, okay, next I'm gonna go in with their lengthening mascara. Okay, well, that was my 5 minutes and I feel like, obviously I didn't finish. If I had to leave the house like this though, I would be okay. I wish I could at least got the mascara on, but you know, it's okay. Now that I filled the challenge, I might as well go back in and tell you guys a little bit more about the products and what colors I'm using. So for the 2-in-1 Perfecting Skin Complexion Stick or Perfecting Complexion Stick, I am in the color khaki and I absolutely love the finish of this stick and I feel like it is such a perfect match for me. And yeah, it's not like something that you would use to like really brighten up your under eyes. You could, I guess, use it like that, get like a lighter one and a darker one, but this does run for $38, I believe. So some people may think that's really pricey. It is a little bit up there, but I think it's worth it because it is like a 2-in-1, and if it's worth it if you like to do simple makeup looks like this where you don't want to use a lot of product, and that is basically what I like to do. And usually I would use like my Bare Minerals powder foundation, which is like 30 to 33 bucks, and I would get a concealer. So honestly it kind of equals out. If I just buy this one, it makes my routine quicker and I'm spending the same amount of money. Now for the blush, I have the color Raspberry Sorbet. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is this really pretty like mauve-y, I guess, raspberry color. But I never use blushes like this. I usually use like peachy orangey tone blushes. That's my go-to. So I wanted to try something different, but when I seen this in person, I was kind of a little bit nervous, and this is what it looks like on my fingers. Super pretty. And obviously you guys can see that it's a very like light color once you put it on and blend it out. Obviously you can build it up so that it is darker, and I just like to put my blush kind of like on my cheekbone and I bring it up to my temples. I know it looks crazy right now, but it'll look pretty once it's blended out. And I love the consistency of this. It's like really dewy, and I wouldn't say oily, but it's like super creamy. And I feel like all the products together leave your skin looking just nice, fresh, and healthy. Okay, don't judge me yet. I'm gonna blend it out. I'm just gonna be using their blending brush. I think it's just called the #1 blending brush. But like I said, I'll put like insert photos of all the products that I've been using. Okay, so that is what the blush looks like on me. It's super subtle and you can build it up as much as you want to get like more color on your face, but I think this is perfect. Oh, and then you guys saw I also went in with their brow pomade. This is in the color Black Brown. To me, this is perfect because since my eyebrows have grown in pretty well, I rarely ever have to fill them in. So I love how this just keeps them in place and also adds a little bit of tint. So next I'm gonna go in with their highlighting balm. I have the color Bounce. It's really pretty. They did have like, I don't know if you guys can see that here. It's almost like a rose gold, like subtle bronzy color. They did have another shade that was more silvery and for fairer skin, I believe. So I thought this one would look good on me. And I'm just gonna put it right at the very top of my cheekbone and bring it into my brow. Honestly, I already have a bunch of dewiness going on, so I don't want to add too much of this. I'm not really like crazy into highlight to begin with. So next I'm gonna go in with their lengthening mascara. This honestly impressed me the most. I don't know if it's the bristles, the formula, I don't know what the case is, but this really takes your lashes from 0 to 100 and in such a natural way too. It doesn't look like you have a ton of mascara on, and it really just makes them look naturally long, and I love it. I'm gonna show you guys like the difference between one eye and the other. Okay, this is the eye with mascara and the eye without, and I think it looks so pretty. And yeah, I'm actually gonna add some mascara to my bottom lashes as well. I love how, obviously, how long it makes my lashes look. And also I love how it doesn't flake. Like I don't get little flakies of mascara on my skin throughout the day. And I do like to put mascara on my bottom lashes. And with this one, it does not run at all, which I appreciate. So this is the mascara on my top and bottom lashes. I think it looks so pretty. So I'm gonna move on. I think the very last thing I have is this lip oil, which I absolutely love. I feel like I keep saying I love everything, but I really do. The only thing is though, and I probably don't have to, but I just personally feel like I need to and I want to, so I'm going to, is going to put on a lip liner. So I'm just gonna be using this nude color that's from a different brand. And I'm not gonna like fill in my lips, I'm literally just gonna outline it so that you guys can see the true color of the lip oil. Okay, so for the lip oil, I got the color Okay, for the tinted lip oil, I got the color Marrakesh, and it is so freaking pretty. And I love the formula of this because it's this thing right here, because it is so like smooth and hydrating. Obviously it's an oil, but it doesn't like soak into your lips. Like it's long lasting in my opinion, and it's not sticky at all, which I love. It feels so nice on your lips. I don't know if you guys can hear the birds, they sound so pretty. Okay, so this is what the lip color looks like, and I feel like it looks really nice with the blush color I chose. This is pretty much the final phase. I think it looks super pretty, super natural, definitely like a no makeup look. I'm gonna see what it looks like on my phone because I feel like on camera I look really pale. Let's see. No, I'm just pale. I need a vacation ASAP. So full transparency, I did get sent these products to try, and I have been trying them out for almost a week, and I really do love them. And I wouldn't be sharing with you guys if I didn't like them or if I didn't like the brand itself. But I truly think that Merit Beauty has like your makeup essentials, especially if you are a no makeup, very minimal makeup type of girl. And I love even more how they're a clean beauty brand. They're vegan and cruelty free. They even have their little clean check mark at Sephora. So you guys can shop Merit with the link in my description box, and they're also available at some Sephora stores in the United States and Canada. So I really do love everything, but there are some things I can go without, and I'll give you guys like my top, I'll say 3 things that I would purchase on my own. So the thing that I could live without is the highlighter, just because I feel like the makeup in general gives me a very dewy look already, and I'm not a highlighter person to begin with, so I wouldn't purchase this. A bird just landed on my balcony. Good morning, bird. Oh my God. This dude just landed on my balcony. Is that like a sign for good luck? Is that a pigeon? Can you guys see him? My camera died, so hopefully the angle and everything is not too different. But something that I would purchase once I run out of it is a Perfecting Complexion Stick, because it is a 2-in-1 product. Not only will it save me time on my routine, but in my case, it will save me money because of the foundation and concealers that I usually buy anyway. And I just think it has such a beautiful finish. It matched my skin so well, and I feel like it's easy to blend into your skin because it is such like a lightweight product, and the consistency of it is like very easy to blend. It's very creamy, but it's not like super oily. I would say though, if you use this, I had some like dry patches around my nose, and it kind of clings really like badly. It just looks bad, so make sure you're really moisturizing your skin and have like a good skincare routine down before you put this all over your face. Otherwise, this is freaking amazing. And my last one, I don't know if it's between their lengthening mascara and their lip oil. I don't know, because I really was impressed with their mascara and how it made my lashes look, but I really do love this lip oil and just how it feels on my lips. Okay, I think I would just have to go with the lip oil because I just feel like bringing that color into my face with the lip oil really kind of pulled everything together. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little fail of a 5-minute get ready with me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.